Hello friends, welcome back to Haggett Hill. It's New Year's Eve here today. Not sure when you'll be seeing this video. We've got a little milling project today. My next door neighbor has about 5 oak logs that they want cut into some inch thick, 1.5 inch, and maybe a 3-inch piece or two. I think they're going to make some furniture out of them when it dries or some projects like that. But he has about 5 logs he wants me to mill up. So I'm going to do that for him today. We're just helping a neighbor out. We have a close-knit community here. They raise chickens and they give us all the eggs that we want to eat. So I'm going to take their logs today and mill them up into the lumber that they want, because that's what neighbors do. We take care of each other. So watch along as I mill up these logs for them. You don't have to tell me. I know. I should be loading these on the other side. But after I got my sawmill trailer built, I pulled it up here next to my shed just so I can install the mill on it. And this is where it's been parked ever since. I set it up to try it out, and it's still been here. I haven't moved it to its final location down at the bottom of the hill where I had my onions set up. I'm going to center that bit. I need a toe board, but you know, we make do with what we have. Maybe I'll get one. A nice sized little log here. I think I'll put this one by material for it. Well, okay folks, I didn't video the rest of the neighbors' logs. We had a total of 5. Ended up with some 4/4 stuff, some full inch stuff, some 1.5 inches, and then a couple slabs that's about 3 inches in case he wants to make any table legs out of it. I'll bring you along with some of my other milling adventures when we do something a little bit different. I've got some cedar I need to mill up here in the near future. I'm going to cut it into probably 2-inch slabs to make some stair treads. So we might bring you along for that project, and of course probably show you how to blow the bark off some cedar again. But I enjoyed the day. It's New Year's Eve here. Got to get out. It's been raining so much lately. I've had cabin fever, and ready to get outside and do some things. I'm glad to help a neighbor out. Like I said, that's what we do here in the country. They give us eggs, so I thought I'd do something nice for them, so I milled up this lumber for them. So I appreciate you coming by and visiting with us here on Haggett Hill. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. It would help my channel grow. I'm just a little guy trying to make my channel grow. This is a hobby of mine as far as the woodworking, things like that. I'm soon to retire from my real job, so who knows? Maybe I can make YouTube a good part-time job for me, make some woodworking and fishing money out of it. We'll see. But most importantly, thanks for watching. Stop back by and see us again. And as always, God bless. Happy New Year, by the way.